Hi! In front of me is Motorola G54 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to open Photos app and then click on Photos at the bottom left corner or Library at the bottom right one and select one of those folders. Either way, when you're ready, hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. And to pick multiple ones right away, use those dots at the top right corners. Now to exclude some of your pictures that you wish to keep, click on them. And to get rid of the rest, select this bin next to the shopping cart at the top right corner. So when I do that and confirm my choice in the pop-up, I can see that all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!